The following is a step-by-step guide to properly purchasing and taking care of aquarium fish. Step 1. Learn about the species of fish. Not every fish gets along with other fish. Find out which species can live in harmony with one another in the same tank. Water conditions. Depending on the pH, temperature, and hardness of the water, certain fish will do better. Select fish that have comparable water needs. Size and growth. Make sure your aquarium has adequate room for the fish you choose, since certain species like goldfish may appear little at first but can grow to be rather enormous. Temperament. While certain fish, like bettas, are more tranquil, others might be aggressive. Fish are matched according to their habits. Choose the appropriate tank. Size. Select a fish tank based on the quantity and kind of fish it will hold. Fish have more room in a larger tank, which is also easier to maintain. Shape. Compared to a tall tank, a long, wide tank offers more surface area for gas exchange, oxygen for fish. Before buying fish, set up the tank with the essential accessories like lighting, a filter, a heater, if needed, and decorations. Turn the tank around. Cycle of nitrogen. Before introducing fish, it is essential to cycle your tank. Cycling increases the number of helpful microorganisms that convert hazardous ammonia into less damaging compounds. Water testing. To make sure your tank is fit for fish, use a water testing kit to measure the levels of ammonia, nitrites, nitrates, and pH. Get your fish used to it. Adjustment of temperature. After bringing your fish home, leave the sealed bag in your tank for 15 to 30 minutes to bring the water temperature up to par. Slow introduction. Over the course of 20 to 30 minutes, gradually stir in little volumes of aquarium water into the bag. This enables the fish to adapt to the water chemistry in the aquarium. Release the fish. Don't add bag water to your aquarium. Instead, use a net to carefully release the fish into its new home. Care and feeding. Diet. Depending on whether your fish are herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores, provide them the appropriate food. Once or twice a day, give them modest portions of food, making sure they finish it all in a short period of time to prevent overfeeding. Track the health of the fish. Behavior. Keep an eye out for symptoms of sickness or stress, such as fading colors, irregular swimming, or lack of appetite. Water testing. Make sure the water in your aquarium stays within the right range for your fish by testing it on a regular basis. By following this advice, you'll be more equipped to give your fish a healthy, happy home and make sure they have a long, happy life under your supervision.